Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to we install VirtualBox for Windows. Okay. First guys, you can see on the screen www.virtualbox.org. Click on downloads. So click on Windows host. Okay. Click on that, it will download the exe file. So once it is downloaded, just open it, open the file. Now this screen comes. Welcome to Oracle VirtualBox 7. Click on next. Click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on yes. So we don't need for desktop shortcuts, startup menu, click on next, click on install. So it will take few minutes for installation. Okay, click on start, click on finish. So this is the Oracle Virtual Manager. So installation is finished. So VirtualBox has been installed. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.